You are lying. Every morning, you look at those green backup check marks and tell the business, we are protected. But deep down, you are praying you never have to test that theory. Because you know, if prod goes down, those check marks won't save you. That's not a strategy. It's chronic fear. Relax. Today, we are not fixing your services. Today, we are treating your fears. We are going to get rid of what keeps you up at night. We'll go through your traumas, point by point, and shut them down. And for this, we'll use Plakar. It's open source. I know that matters to you. No black boxes. And your first trauma is the fear of recovery. We all know the nightmare. You restore the files, but the system doesn't work. Why? Because standard backups save the data, but they lose the context. Permissions are broken. Timestamps are reset. Dependencies are gone. It's pure chaos. You have the pieces, but you lost the picture. Your system has amnesia. Plakar is digital memory. It preserves the exact state, ownership, modes, extended attributes. The relationships between files remain intact. You simply open Plakar and you restore the snapshot. Fast, granular, and reliable. Let's move on. You feel dependent. You keep everything in the cloud. And you know, if they hike prices tomorrow or lock your account, you can't get your data out fast. You are trapped. Plakar treats this with total portability. It packs data into a closet, a self-contained repository. You can keep it on S3 today, and tomorrow just replicate snapshots to another closet store, on a local disk or with another provider. No format conversion, no complex migrations. The data belongs to you, not the infrastructure. You are free to choose where to live. The third point is paranoia. You send data to the cloud, and often control over where and how encryption happens isn't fully yours, and you are forced to take their word for it. But what if they get hacked, or a rogue insider decides to peek at your files? You are handing your secrets to strangers. That's why Plakar does it differently. It uses client-side encryption. Data is encrypted on your end, at the source, before it leaves for storage. Nothing readable goes to the cloud. To the outside world, it's just encrypted chunks, meaningless without your keys. You can delegate storage without delegating access to your data. The risk of a cloud breach drops sharply. You are protected. And finally, budget. You look at cloud bills and realize you are paying for air. You are storing 50 copies of the same operating system. You are paying for the same thing 50 times. Your infrastructure is bloated. Plakar cuts out the fat. Smart deduplication is at work here. It breaks files into chunks. And if you have 100 similar servers, repeated chunks are not duplicated. So the physical footprint shrinks drastically. Storage bills drop noticeably. You stop burning company money. And your CFO will finally be happy. See? Your fears are not just part of the job. They are symptoms of outdated architecture. You don't need to learn to live with the pain. You need to change the tool. Plakar gives you predictable recovery, independence from clouds, real privacy, and smart savings. Our session is over for today. Try Plakar and finally start sleeping peacefully. Also, hit like, subscribe, and if you want to share your fears and pain, come join the Discord. I am always ready to listen and give advice. See you soon!